to work. Travailler, travailler, travailler. In our previous lessons, we learned how to say I work, je travaille. You work with the informal you, the tu travailles. Now we're going to look at how do you ask the question, do you work, using the informal tu. So remember, if you want to ask the question, do you work, with the tu, remember to simply reverse the word order. So travail first and tu, and remember we have to separate them with a hyphen. So the question is, travailles-tu? Travailles-tu? Remember we're not pronouncing the consonant here. Do you work? Travailles-tu? Do you work? Travailles-tu? Do you work? Travailles-tu? Here, ici, here, ici. Do you work here? Put it all together. Travailles-tu ici? Do you work here? Travailles-tu ici? Okay, so let's review what we learned. To work, remember, always remember the infinitive. It's very important. Travailler. Remember, the infinitive is the form of the verb that's not conjugated. It's equivalent to the to plus the verb in English. In other words, the to work. Okay, travailler, to work. Do you work? Travailles-tu? And remember the es ending for er, regular er verbs, always goes with the tu. So es and tu always go together. Travailles-tu? Here, ici. Today. Aujourd'hui. Tomorrow. Demain. A lot. Beaucoup. Too much. Trop. Remember, we generally don't pronounce the consonant at the end of the word. So demain, beaucoup, trop. Okay, so now if you want to ask the question, do you work here? Travailles-tu ici? Do you work today? Travailles-tu aujourd'hui? Do you work tomorrow? Travailles-tu demain? Do you work a lot? Travailles-tu beaucoup? Do you work too much? Travailles-tu trop? Okay, and remember, in asking this question, you're asking this question to someone that you know well. In other words, you're using the tu, which is informal, which you use with those that you know well, friends, family members. Okay, to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. Okay, see you soon. À bientôt.